In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a project in CapCut PC. Let's jump straight into it. First, make sure you already have your video project open in the CapCut editor on your computer. You should see your timeline at the bottom, your preview window, and all your clips ready to go. Once you're happy with your edits and you're ready to turn this project into a video file you can share or upload, you'll need to export it. To do that, look toward the top right corner of the CapCut window. You'll see an export button. Go ahead and click that. As soon as you do, a pop-up window will appear. This is where you control how your final video will be saved on your computer. At the top of this pop-up, you can edit your project's file name. It's a good idea to choose something clear and descriptive, like the name of the video and maybe the date, so you can easily find it later. Just click in the name field and type in whatever you want your exported file to be called. Next, choose the destination on your computer where the video will be saved. Click on the folder or path area and select a location that makes sense for you, such as a dedicated videos folder or a project folder you've already created. This will help you avoid having to search for the file later. Now, let's look at the video settings in this same pop-up. Here you can enable Ultra HD if your project and your computer support it, which is great if you want a very high quality final video. You can also choose the resolution, from 480p all the way up to 4K. As a rule of thumb, 1080p is a solid standard for most online videos, while 4K is ideal if you need maximum detail. You'll also see options for bitrate, with choices like lower, recommended, higher, and custom. A higher bitrate means better quality but a larger file size, so pick what works best for your needs. Then choose your codec and file format, depending on how and where you plan to use the video. You can also set the frame rate from 24 frames per second up to 60 frames per second. A higher frame rate will look smoother, especially for motion-heavy content. Finally, you have the option to enable optical flow, which can help smooth out motion between frames in certain clips. Once you're satisfied with all these settings, look at the bottom right corner of the pop-up and click the export button. CapCut will start processing your project and saving it as a video file with the settings you chose, and that's it. Your project is now saved on your computer, ready to watch, share, or upload wherever you like.